How to withdraw money from Z League. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can withdraw money from Z League. For this, launch open the Z League app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now, you want to tap on the play option at the bottom of your screen. Then from here, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now, after skipping all of the ads, you will be able to see your total balance and payout balance over here. To earn more, you want to scroll down to explore additional earning options such as raffles and inviting friends. These can help boost your balance for faster withdrawals. Now, you want to scroll up and find the option of transactions. Tap on that. If prompted, you want to enter your email address over here, then click on continue. After accessing the transactions section, you will see the claim and cash out option. Go ahead and click on the cash out option and you will be directed to a page where you can specify how much you want to withdraw. So enter the amount you wish to withdraw and the address where you'd like to receive your funds. And this is how you can withdraw money from Z League. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.